In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell your old and rare notes and coins on eBay and make good money. If you've been holding on to unique coins or rare banknotes, you've probably wondered how to turn these treasures into profits. Let's dive into this process with some straightforward steps. First, you'll want to identify your items. This means closely examining your coins or banknotes to determine specifics like the country of origin, denomination, and date of minting for coins, or series and special features for banknotes. This foundational information is crucial as it will help you gauge their value and appeal to collectors. Next, utilize online resources to better understand the market value. eBay's completed listings or platforms like usecoinbook.com are excellent tools for comparison. These resources can show you what similar items have been sold for, giving you a realistic expectation of potential earnings. Keep in mind that condition is key. The value of your coins and banknotes significantly depends on their condition. Items in pristine condition will generally fetch higher prices, so it's crucial to assess them carefully. If you're uncertain about how to do this accurately, consulting with a professional numismatist or dealer can be beneficial. When you're ready to create your listing, focus on crafting an effective presentation. High quality photos are imperative here. Take clear, well lit images from multiple angles to showcase every detail and the condition of your items. A picture really is worth 1,000 words, especially in the online market. Alongside great photos, you'll need detailed descriptions. Accurately and thoroughly describe your items, mentioning any unique features, historical significance, or special characteristics. The more information you provide, the more trustworthy and appealing your listing will be. Choosing the right listing format is another important decision. Auction-style listings can generate excitement and potentially drive up the price for rare items through competitive bidding. In contrast, fixed-price listings may be more suitable for common items, providing buyers the convenience of an immediate purchase. Research is your best friend when setting prices. Look into recent sales data and market trends to establish a price that is fair yet profitable. Remember to factor in all associated fees, including eBay and payment processing fees, as well as shipping costs when determining your prices. Keeping an eye out for fakes is crucial too. Familiarize yourself with common counterfeiting methods to protect yourself from fraudulent items, both as a buyer and seller. If something about a listing or buyer feels off, trust your instincts and don't hesitate to back away. Finally, while eBay is a popular platform, don't overlook the option of selling at local coin shows or to dealers. These face-to-face interactions can often result in swift and secure transactions. By following these guidelines, you'll be well on your way to successfully selling your rare and valuable items online. Good luck and may your sales be rewarding.